Welcome to Flipping Cars. If you're looking at this to make a few extra $100 or to replace your full-time income, you don't have to have any kind of experience with cars or know how to fix them or be a dealer for that fact, and I'm going to show you how simple it is. My name is Danny Nieves and I've been flipping cars since I was a teenager, and it was a hobby of mine, a passion, a love that I had up until recently, where in October of 2020, when the world was upside down, I decided to take that hobby and make it a full-time income, and I have not looked back since. Now, through the time that I have been building this, I've always had friends that approach me about flipping cars and how do I do it. And I realized how simple it was to teach. And that's why I created this as a way for me to give back, because I finally have reached my goal of having the time freedom to be able to spend time with family and doing what I want when I want to. And I'm just sorry that it took me so long. I was in a career where I was just not happy and I needed to make a change. And it's never easy to make that leap of faith, but I definitely did that and I do not regret it. So I want to show you that if I can do it, you can do it too.